I'm making chicken goujons today. For this recipe, I have chicken breast, cut it into strips, and then some plain flour, breadcrumbs, cumin powder, coriander powder, and some paprika, pepper, salt. This is a real easy recipe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the spices into the chicken. Some pepper. The spices are always to your taste, so that's why I'm not telling the quantity, and salt. I'm going to marinate this for several hours before I do the next step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this in the fridge about 5 to 6 hours. You can add a little bit of wine if you like white wine. I'm going to leave it like this and dip it in the plain flour and egg wash and put it in breadcrumbs and deep fry. So leave to marinate because chicken breast is little bland, no taste. So it's good if you marinate it and leave it for a while to the spices to coat with that. And so I'm going to leave it in the fridge for 6 hours now. I'm ready to do the chicken goujons. Now it was in the fridge about 6 to 7 hours. So I'm going to coat the chicken with flour and then egg wash it, then put it in the breadcrumbs, cover it, and the oil is hot and I'm going to add a batch into the oil. I finished crumbing the goujons, so I'm going to add them into the oil. My goujons are ready to serve. They are nice and crispy and golden brown. So I'm going to put that on a paper towel, and you can serve this with chili jam or tomato sauce. Hope you will enjoy this too. Thank you for watching.